Hey guys, it is me, Avery, and today, today we are going to be doing a Easter slime putty mixing, sorry, if you can hear the background noise, it's just, don't mind it, So I got all these putties at Michael's. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 10 in all. Okay, so I know there's only like 3 things, but I thought these would be fine because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whoa, that don't make sense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why is there 8? So there's 3 of these, and there's 3 of these, and then there's just 2 of these. Oh, this chick I bought is the 3rd one. And then this carrot is a loner. Okay, let's start. So I have nail clippers in case I need to cut something. Don't judge me because of my nails, So yeah, let's start. We're gonna start with this chick. Whoa. And there used to be plastic on these containers. It's just I took it off because of my nails. Well, I didn't take it off. I had to wait for my mother to. So, okay. Ooh, wait. I love these little things. Can't open it. So, okay. Carrot. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, wow. Okay. That's just amazing. These aren't even that stretchy. Okay, let's do that. Okay. Okay, all my containers are just all over the place. Whoa, hey. Why are you doing that? This just randomly fell off. Well, now I don't have to open it. Okay. I already know I can't take this off, so I have to use my nail clippers. Ow. Okay, I think I got it. So guys, I'm going to be uploading this, and I am going to Tennessee, so I might record videos there. I don't really know. So just maybe expect another video coming up soon in Tennessee. This Friday or Saturday. I don't know. Can't even open these containers. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ow. Okay, I got it. This is just like the little chick putty, except a little bit stretchier. Why? Why? Okay, I'm gonna put them side by side. Okay, there. Here we go. Okay, I got it. Ow. Okay, got it. I'm gonna use that technique this whole time. It won't come out. Okay. I have no idea, but I just noticed I bought all clear slime. I just noticed. I know that's stupid how I just noticed, but okay. I don't know why I did that. Yeah. Have all 3 of my blues. Okay, now I have all 3 of my pinks. Okay, let's start with 1 pink. Okay. Won't open up. This will not open up. You would think having nails would help you open stuff, that they decrease it. Ugh, this is crappy. Now this video is gonna be like 85,000 minutes long. Oh, got it, yay. Oh, crap. Okay. No. Goodness. Got it. Okay, the pink ones are less stretchy. Whew. My arm hurts now. Now I got trash all over my room. Just because of this video, guys. As you can hear probably, my cousin is riding his dirt bike. This is not making me happy. Okay, I got it. We're good. Good. But look at that. That doesn't mean it's blue, but it's like teal. Okay. Ow. 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 Okay. Do this. Ow. I just shook the camera, yo. Ow. Oh, crap. Okay, I got it. Got it. Crap. Ow, that hurt. Okay. Okay. If you hear someone talking, that is... I'm not telling you who that is, but that is someone in my family because it is game day today, and they're getting mad. Okay, this looks like super pretty, you know. That's perfection. Ooh, that was super easy. But now I think the container is going to be hard to open. So, because that's my luck. Oh, God, got it. Okay, how about... No. Come out. Thank you. Okay. Put some there. I'm trying to color code it. Okay. Pretty. Beautiful. That's just beautiful. Okay. Okay, I got it. Ow. Okay. I'm making a mess all over my room with all these containers. So. Okay. My gosh, this video is so long, and then I still have to mix all this. Okay, last one. Oh. Okay. There we go. There we go. Okay. Let's leave all these containers and stuff. Okay. So, here it is. There's yellow, there's orange, there's some blue, there's some pink. Now let's mix it. Oh, yes. It's like a burrito. You can see my hand. It's so clear and pretty. I just wonder how the blue's going to mix. Ooh. Girl. That already looked nasty right there. It's a pancake. Okay. Who would eat this pancake? Comment down below if you would eat my rainbow pancakes that I would make you. Comment down below if you would eat that. That sounds delicious. If it wasn't toxic. Like this. Okay, so basically it's just turning into like an orangish, greenish, as you can see. So, okay. Hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell so you never miss a video I make. Bye, guys.